Okay, we're here with Kurt Raffey with Seed Hawk at the Western, or not at the Western, but at the Canadian Farm Progress Show. And Seed Hawk is showing a savings calculator that ties in with their sectional control technology. It's a great tool for farms so they can demonstrate live savings from their plot based on any geospatial map that's available on the web. I'm going to let Kurt talk about it. Kurt, please go ahead.
So what we're going to do is we're going to capture an image of one of the grower's quarter sections of land, and this calculator, it picks up color differences. So as you can see, once we've captured this photo, we're going to save it as one of the grower's quarters, and we can do the whole farm, you know, one at a time at the moment. But now we're going to find this seedable acres on this farm, on this quarter section. We're going to try and determine what the percent of overlap is. Input costs nowadays are increasing. They're never really going down. There's a lot of sectional control type options on sprayers. Spraying passes are, you know, could be in the range of $20 to $40 an acre, but seeding is closer to around the $100 an acre. So why wouldn't you want to put something to save on your input costs on your seeding equipment? So we've captured this field, and we now go through it and determine if there's any spots that it didn't pick up properly that I always seed through. So the grower is able to fuse any little spots that you know is obvious. But it comes to a point where he's comfortable with, you know what, that's pretty close to exactly how I need to, how I go around my field. So then I choose the size of machine that I either have or wish to buy from Seed Hawk. So we have a drop-down window of 30 feet all the way to 84 feet. So in this example, we're going to use a 66-foot machine, and from there we're going to calculate our overlap using a vertically seeded field, so seeding north and south. It takes a few seconds. It naturally does 2 headlands, as our machine only requires 2 headlands. And obviously you can see the painted map. And everywhere where you see yellow, that is where it overlaps. And on this field it shows a 9.15% overlap. So from here, you can either process another field in the bottom right hand corner, or you can view our savings worksheet. So if we go to the savings worksheet, this is where the grower can fill out all of his information of his own farm, his total acres, his dollars per pound of seed, or dollars per bushel, his pounds per acre, and it calculates the total cost of all of his crops that he farms. In the end, it's going to, at the bottom, you can see the SET savings, it shows 9%, okay? And that was based off the last map that we just saw. So on this 2,000 acre farm with 9% overlap, SET savings will save over $26,000. A large grower is the one that pays attention to this option. Those guys need this. They don't want this, they need this. So this exercise is an awesome tool to help those growers justify sectional control technology. And this is why over 60% of our tanks go out with this technology on it.
Very good. Kurt, thank you very much. Very informative.